Good morning, last day of the ride, and today going from Tejpur to Guwahati. Yesterday route from Tawang to Tejpur, about 425 kilometers, and the whole day was took about 11 hours I should reach here. Full hilly terrain actually. The last 50 kilometers were only on the plains. The rest everything was all those curves and turns and all. But it was an amazing ride. Loved the ride yesterday. I'm ending my ride today at Guwahati because I don't feel like riding back to Bombay. It's going to be a long ride back from Guwahati to Bombay, about 6 days, and it's going to be boring. So I plan to basically send my bike by Agarwal Movers and Packers, and I fly back tomorrow from Guwahati. So today basically will be some like we'll go to Kamakhya temple today and meet a friend, and yeah, that's it for today, and enjoy the ride, guys. See you soon. This is the Brahmaputra River. Crossing the Brahmaputra with an now. finishing my ride at the Kamakhya temple. Right now I'm at Kamakhya temple in Guwahati, and it's believed that this most powerful temple out here. Long queue to go inside, so I'm just doing darshan from outside. Hi guys, you want to enjoy this temple. I love the architecture of this. I've been here about many years ago, only once, and see a lot of beautiful architecture, so I just look from the distance. Going around the temple. It's difficult to go inside the long queue, and the guys told me it's going to take about 3 hours, and yeah, so just wanted you guys to see this from here. This is the place where I'm going to end my ride today, and yeah, go back to the hotel tomorrow. Intend to long line. A lot of history behind this. I'm not sure about the history, but I guess that's the queue to go inside. People standing there. I don't know from where the line has started, but the whole line is from here, go inside. They allow you to see from the side. I'm not sure about they allow photography inside, so I better not.
ये देखिए ये सही है बढ़िया
Okay, so I'm signing off now, and signing off from Kamakhya. It has been a long ride, about 4,000 kilometers, and crazy ride. I believe beautiful moments. There were incidents also, close saved ones. But I'd like to thank the Almighty that really saved my life and let me have this ride in one piece, I would say. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being by my side. And yeah, see you on the next ride and the next ride. Bye-bye.